was determined to become a Jewish singer, except I didn't know what that meant, you know. So I said, like, what does a Jewish singer sing, you know? Clearly it's not going to be Joan Baez, but like, what is it going to be? So I said, okay, so now there's two languages. I really didn't know anything. Like, I knew there's two languages, but I didn't even know which connects to what and how and why, you know. It was really quite pathetic if I think about it. So I bought a book called Chaim Potok's Wanderings, and there I learned for the first time actually anything about Jewish history, and I started understanding some things. You know, I still didn't understand anything about my family's history, so it seemed to me I really had to make a choice. Like, what am I going to sing? Like, I love the Mizrahi, but it seemed to me that would be like almost preposterous. Like, this little Czech chick, I'm going to be singing this Sephardic music without any connection to it. Well, okay, grandfather maybe, but like it was so remote. So even though I loved it musically more, I made that very intellectual kind of decision to go with Yiddish, because I felt that at least it was more honest in terms of geographic locality. And I didn't know either, right? So it could have gone either way. And so I felt, but it makes a lot more sense coming from Eastern Europe that I go with Yiddish. And also, theoretically possible that my family spoke Yiddish maybe 5 generations back, but they probably did, you know. So I thought, okay, I'm going to be a Yiddish singer. Now, what does that mean, right? It's, I'm sure, very different than when you interview other Yiddish singers. Nobody has this kind of like a ridiculous history in this.